Good morning. Today we are going to talk about how to redeem your ESET vouchers using EVO member portal. So first of all, you have to log in to your EVO member portal first. On the left, select ESET vouchers. Once you have selected ESET voucher, it will actually brings you to a page that will actually shows you how many unclaimed or how many available vouchers you have for redemption. So it actually tells you your voucher number, your voucher type, your voucher amount following your member ID, your issuing date, and the voucher expiry date. So you can actually redeem multiple vouchers in a single go as long as the voucher type is the same type. You can also redeem one voucher at a time. So you just have to tick on the voucher that you wish to redeem, then just press redeem. So once you have pressed redeem, it will actually brings you to our product selection page. So on this page, it will actually tells you which voucher you have selected, how much is the minimum purchase amount that you have to make to redeem this voucher. So I will put on by selecting the product that I wish to redeem. So once I have selected the product, just click continue and it will direct you to our order summary page. So from this order summary page, it actually tells you what product you have selected, what is the quantity, and how much is the total amount. So under the grand total, it actually tells you how much you have to pay for this redemption. So for our ESET voucher redemption, we actually have two shipping methods. One is delivery mode, another one is self-collection mode. So we'll talk about delivery mode first. So by selecting delivery mode, you can actually deliver the redemption to your selected addresses. Okay, please take note that by selecting delivery mode, if your payable is less than 300 ringgit, you will actually be subjected to a delivery fee. Okay, if your payable is above 300 ringgit, then the delivery fee will be waived. Okay, so if you select self-collection, you will be able to select any stockist location that you wish to pick up your order at. Okay, so by selecting self-collection mode, you do not actually have to pay any delivery fee. Okay, so once you have selected your shipping method, just click on continue, and to make payment, you just have to tick on agree to our terms and conditions, and then select the payment method. So for payment method, we'll be using iPay88. Okay, so you just have to click on submit. Okay, so under iPay88 payment page, select the payment method that you wish to use to complete your payment. So once the payment is successful, you will actually be redirected back to our merchant page, which is it will go back to EVO, and it actually tells you the payment is successful. By clicking on return, it actually brings you to the order confirmation page, which then it actually shows you your transaction date, document number, order by, your payment method, as well as if there is any BV, SV, CDP point, it will be displayed on the order confirmation page. Okay, so if you wish to download or print your invoice, just click on the document number and it will direct you to a PDF copy of the invoice. Alright, so that's about it. This is the step of how to redeem your ESET voucher. Thank you.